In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Lync appointment using Outlook on the desktop. So first, you'll need to go to Calendar. It's down here at the bottom. You click on Calendar, and you'll get to the calendar. Now you can see that I have a couple of different calendars. I'm going to close one of them. It's really only important to have them both open in case you need to see someone else's calendar that they've shared with you. That might be helpful as well. So now let's create a calendar appointment that has a Lync meeting attached to it. So the first thing we'll do is, since we're in the calendar, is you can go to either find a time, and you can do it from there, and we'll do both ways, or you can do it from here, New Lync Meeting. So I'm going to click on New Lync Meeting, and an appointment will open up. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so we can see everything. And from here, you're going to do everything you would normally do if you're creating a new appointment. You'll invite people to it. You'll add a subject. The difference is the location becomes the Lync meeting. And you'll notice that Outlook has added the Lync meeting to this. So when I click on this, it will launch the meeting. And you'll notice if you look at the URL there, it's attached to me as a person. So it's my Lync meeting. So if I invite other people, so let's go ahead and do that right now. I can start typing their name in like I normally would and add that person to it. So let's say I had an entire class. I could add the entire class to this meeting and invite them. If I were in a class where I was doing a team meeting, I would go get my email addresses for my classmates and I would do the same thing. And that's, of course, if I had Outlook. The same thing works in Office 365, which there's another tutorial on that in case you have those questions. So once I've created it, I can send it. Yes, I'm going to send it without a subject. I'm going to hit send. It sends the meeting to that individual, and now the meeting will show up on the calendar. And when you open up the meeting, you again will see the link to join the Lync meeting. So that's how you create a Lync meeting, by doing it from the calendar itself. Now let's say you want to create a meeting but you change your mind and want to add something to it later. So in that case, let's go to 9 o'clock. I'm going to double click, and let's say I'm in the meeting. I think, oh, I should add Lync to it. You also have the ability to add Lync to the appointment even after you create a regular appointment. So you'd go through the same process and you do the same thing. You can also do it with recurrences. So if this is an ongoing meeting, that same link will be available for every occurrence of that meeting going forward. So that's how you create a Lync meeting using the calendar within Outlook.